Assalamu alaikum. I'm just going to demonstrate really quickly how do you install these artworks. I'm going to go over artworks that are split into multiple pieces. For example, this particular one has two pieces in them. Look at that. It just splits in two. The first thing you need to do is basically understand how these pieces get connected. So once you know where these artworks are going to be connected, it will be easier for you to visualize when you're actually putting it on the wall. So in this case, this one is a two-piece artwork. It's about 4 feet wide, and I'll try to put this on the wall now. Another thing I want to call out is, just measure the dimensions of the artwork so you can visualize like a box on the wall. It will be easier for you to align and straighten it when you're installing it on the wall. Sorry, I'm just holding the artwork and making the video at the same time, so just bear with me here. You notice these artworks don't have any hooks or anything on the back. They hang on itself. What I mean by that is, imagine there's like a nail on the wall, and you don't need too big of a nail. You probably need like finishing nails which don't have a big head at the front, because that tends to stuck to grab onto the artwork. So you buy nails which are like really it doesn't have to be really heavy nail. A smaller nail would work just fine. And if you notice, the artwork just rests on these nails on itself, just like that. And you see 1/2 pieces on the wall. So basically you need to identify a couple points on the wall where on the artwork which is sturdy enough to support the weight of the artwork. So for example, in this one, this is one spot that I used. You can probably use the other spot like this one as well. This is absolutely fine. If you feel you're more comfortable, and there's one more here, so you can kind of put a couple of nails on different places, and then this artwork this piece will stay on the wall itself. So once you measure the dimension, you know where the artwork needs to go. You start with one piece, and then ideally, right now the nails were on the wall, but imagine if they were not. What I would do is I would place it on the wall, and then on the identified spots, you just mark those spots on the wall using a pen or a pencil. And then once you mark those spots, then you basically take it off, put the nails on those spots, and then basically the artwork will hang just like that. Now that one piece is in place, it's time for you to put the second piece on the wall. So idea is imagine when I asked you to pay attention to how these things connect to each other. This stage will help in figuring that part out. So I have too many nails on this wall, so it's really hard for me to find proper place. But imagine you are basically, I took out some nails, so I'm just going to be easier to demonstrate. So look at this piece here. So I'm just going to place it where it's supposed to be, just like that. And it's easier to get some assistance. So you notice all these junctions are well aligned. And once you achieve that, you basically do the same drill where you identify some points on the wall, and you pop the nails onto those points. Once those nails are in place, then ideally these two pieces, once they are hanging, they will be seamlessly connected. And then from the distance, you won't even see the junctions when it's installed on the wall. So that's what I'm trying to juggle both with one hand. So I'm not gonna take my hand off because it's not secured. But I think you got the idea of how you hang these multi-piece artworks. Thank you.